Greetings, it's Francesca Lynn Arnoldy, community doula and death literacy author, inviting you to join me for an immersive workshop in June 2024 at the Omega Institute. It's called Death Journaling, Creating Keepsakes of a Lifetime, and it's inspired by my own death journal, which is a scrapbook I've been compiling for my loved ones for many years now, for my time of dying, whenever that will occur. It includes not only my preferences for end-of-life care and for disposition, as well as contingency plans and a healthy dose of flexibility so that my loved ones will take good care of themselves. Also, it includes my messages to them. It's my love on a page so that they can feel my embrace even in my absence after my death has occurred. So in it, I have included quotes and mantras, some lyrics to songs that I find really meaningful, some poetry, as well as some lists that I have created, like my happiness is list and comfort is, gratitude list, beliefs, messages, short and long, for them to read during their time of bereavement, full of encouragement and hope and my lasting love. So for you, I invite you to come join me to begin the creation of your own death journal. So with this workshop, you will receive a blank journal to work in throughout the week, and you will be welcomed into a community of caring people who are finding the courage to explore their mortality, as well as create remembrance projects that will be beautiful for ourselves, as well as if we would like to share them with others. So on the agenda, we're going to start by cultivating a mindset of compassion as we become our own doulas, as we provide ourselves emotional support. Next, we're going to explore our connections to self, strength, source, story, and support. Then we're going to discuss mortality awareness and death wellness, while developing Memento Mori practices. So remembering that we are mortal and practicing that during the day with visual reminders and cues. Next, we're going to focus on planning, preparing, and processing as we create those components of our own death journals, including the core self lists, our life stories, meaningful messages, and even more. Infused throughout will be guided meditations and visualizations. And the themes that will be woven through will be connection as well as releasing. So my intention is to make this a really safe, welcoming atmosphere for everyone who feels called to join us, and a beautiful community so that we can all hold on to memories that we create, and that we can all open ourselves up to clarity and cathartic healing. So I hope you'll join me.